The bomb, Big John explained to Johnny and Jimmy, had 8 separate electromechanical fusing mechanisms. If any one of them was triggered, it would complete a circuit between a battery and detonators attached to the dynamite, and the bomb would explode. First, the 2 boxes were lined with aluminum foil, sandwiched between 2 layers of neoprene. If anyone attempted to drill through the outside of the box, the drill bit would make an electrical contact between the steel box and the foil, completing the circuit and detonating the device. Second, Big John had used spring-loaded contacts to booby-trap the screws, holding the tops of the boxes in place. Unscrew any of them and the contacts would close, completing the circuit. Third, the lids of both boxes were rigged with pressure switches, like those used in car doors to operate dome lights. If either lid was removed, the switches would open, completing the circuit. Fourth, inside the top box, he rigged a float from a toilet cistern. If the box was flooded with water or foam, the float would rise, completing the circuit. Fifth, beside the float was a tilt mechanism built from a length of plastic plumbing pipe, lined with more aluminum foil. Inside hung a metal pendulum, held under tension from below with a rubber band. Once this was armed, if the bomb was moved in any way, the end of the pendulum would make contact with the foil, completing the circuit. Sixth was a layer of foil running around the seam connecting the 2 boxes. If a metal object was inserted between the top and bottom boxes, this would complete the circuit. Finally, Big John had installed a solid-state irrigation timer designed for greenhouses and sprinkler systems, connected to a 6-volt battery. This could be set in time increments from 45 minutes to 8 days. But once it had been activated and all the booby traps had been armed, it would no longer be possible to get inside the bomb to turn it off. As soon as the timer reached 0, it would detonate the device. On the side of the top box, Big John built a panel of 28 steel toggle switches, neatly numbered and arranged in 5 rows. He told Johnny that 3, or perhaps 5, of the 28 could be used to switch the pendulum circuit on and off. Many of the others were dummies, but some of them weren't. Flip any of the latter, and they would complete a circuit. Then, the device would explode instantly.